Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today's vlog is starting with me going to the bank. I had something really important to do at the bank, so we had to go. My baby prefers standing whenever we're in the car. I don't know why. So yeah, this is me in the bank. Guys, I hate waiting in the back, but at this point it was inevitable. So we just had to wait. Finally finished with what I went there to do. Then on our way back home, we stopped to get some provisions for the house. As you know, basics, detergent, Milo, Goodmore, um, Calbert, deodorant, tissue, just everything I was showing you guys. Then I got this bottle for my baby. He needed a new bottle, so I got that. There's baby wipe. Then I saw this yogurt. I decided to try it. And this golden mud drink. The yogurt was nice, but the golden mud drink was nice, but I did not like the yogurt. Then proceeded to cook egusi soup. Packed some in the fridge just for my husband and I. And the next day we had this event in church. Yeah, and what's it called? Couples date night, couples dinner, yeah, something like that. They do it every year. Guys, my makeup was really it this day. And the thing that I never even planned to go, I was like, okay, let's just go, and I just dressed up. My makeup really turned out well. This is with filter. The previous clip was the makeup without filter. And yeah, we were headed to, because we did it in another province. So we headed there with some of my mamas from church. And they're having this conversation about someone that died by someone hitting him. Something like that. Then they had this game during the dinner. It was really nice. Let me just let you listen.
Our need to keep our bodies fit as well as keeping our spiritual fit. So we are addressing the spiritual and the physical. Then pillar F, the third pillar is F, finance. So we can teach ourselves to grow in our financial life so that we can be.
I really encourage these sort of events for couples because, to be honest, some men they don't take their wives out. Like some couples, they don't even have the time to go out. So this is really a very good thing that my church does every year for couples. I think most of us would just even end up looking forward to it every year.
Very far. Some don't need to think at all.
So the game was over and it was time for food. My baby was also very excited. I was really hungry, guys. Very, very hungry. And this food was actually nice. It was really delicious. And this is our table: jollof rice, fried rice, chicken, and fish. See. This is the spoon that I was served with, but my baby was just using it to play. He didn't allow me to use it. And here they were just like saying things for couples to say to themselves. It was really interesting. My baby just really wanted my spoon. Like, he wouldn't stop crying for it. He wanted my spoon by all means. I just had to give it to him so there'll be peace and quiet. I gave him the spoon. I picked up a rubber spoon from my bag and I used that to eat instead. Yeah, I was trying to use this spoon to cut this fish, but it wasn't working, so I just had to use my hands. Like, enjoy this fish very well. I used my hands. And it was time to go home. Of course, I would not leave my mouth that I did not drink there. Please. I put it in my bag and we started heading home. At this point, guys, I was really, really tired. I was really, really tired. And on my way home, we stopped by to get a few stuff from the supermarket, just some few things we did not get the day before, and we also stopped to get fuel for the car and continued our journey back home. Look at me, guys. I was so exhausted. I was really tired. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.